Hey, what's up, guys? So, wanted to start this new video series on my journey here on building this new real estate micro SaaS. So, a couple reasons why I'm building this out is first, I'm a real estate agent here in Southern California. I've been doing this for the last 10 years, and basically, I've been generating a lot of leads online, and I haven't really found a great solution for getting to the leads fast enough. There's couple ways you can do it. I know there's a couple apps out there or like third party companies that will actually call your leads for you and follow up for you, which is what most real estate agents do, or other like Zillow does. They have their own concierge service where they call the leads for you, and then basically when they're ready, they'll send it over to you. But I haven't really seen anything with AI and follow up with basically within the first 60 seconds. So basically, the main concept here is getting to your lead within the first 60 seconds using AI and a call transfer. And we'll go over the MVP right now shortly, kind of show you exactly the core concept for this SaaS. But the main reason I'm doing this is because I want this for my own business. I want to use it for my own business. I want to basically prove the concept right, and hopefully at the end of this journey, I'll be able then to sell this to other real estate agents, right, that need it for their business too. So that's basically full disclosure why I'm building this out and gonna document it. And also, I like doing this. I really enjoy learning about tech, learning about apps, software, stuff like that. My background on software is I built, or not, I'm sorry, I didn't build, but I bought other softwares in the past where I've been able to sell them, and I've been pretty successful at that. However, this will be the first one that I actually built from scratch, and it's going to be also in real estate, which is what I've been doing the last 10 years. And basically, I'm going to really try to make it so great where it's going to be an awesome app. So let's go over the core concept here in the MVP. So I'll show you guys here, which is the basically the core concept for this would be building an AI micro SaaS that helps real estate agents instantly respond to leads from Facebook, Zillow, or CRM with a phone call and SMS within 60 seconds. Okay, so core workflow will be lead trigger. System receives a webhook or an API with a new lead from, let's say, Zillow, Follow Up Boss, Facebook, and then the payload will be obviously the name, phone, email, property ID, lead source, price range. And then here the agent notification and auto call. So for right when the lead comes into the platform, it's going to make a call immediately to the agent's phone number, and then when the agent answers it, it's going to auto dial the lead's phone number, and try to get that lead to connect with the agent. So and then also there's going to be a display of an AI generated call script. So based on the lead details and information, that way you could look at all the information there and be able to talk to that lead simultaneously. So uh, fallback if no answer. If the lead doesn't answer, is going to drop a voicemail. So a pre-recorded or AI generated voicemail instantly sent. If you sorry, if you're hearing my dog in the background here snore, sorry about that. And so what was I? Platform immediately calls the agent's phone number, and then oh no, sorry, we already went over that. So if the lead doesn't answer, it's gonna drop a voicemail, and it's gonna either be pre-recorded, which I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm actually gonna have AI generate it, um, and then so that way it could be a little more tailored to that lead, and then also send a personalized SMS. So it's gonna send an SMS with merge tags, obviously with that lead, right? Lead page, agent facing is going to be a simple agent dashboard. View new lead alerts, see a history of calls, voicemails, texts, read the AI generated call scripts, mark leads as contacted or follow up. So that's basically the core concept right now for this micro SaaS. The MVP is going to be for phase one. We'll be right now working on lead trigger, webhook, and API calls for like Zillow, Facebook. I might just start with Facebook right now, just because I need Facebook. What I'm generating a lot of Facebook leads, so that'll probably be the main one for now. But obviously include Zillow for sure, because I know a lot of people do a lot of Zillow leads. Follow Up Boss, which is also a big popular CRM out there, which will be another one. And Follow Up Boss will probably be really great because if you're already generating leads from different sources already, like from Zillow, Facebook, Realtor.com, and all the lead sources out there. If I connect follow up boss, then you could just from there connect your connect follow up boss, and then it will automatically send this to this new to the app, and you don't have to integrate all these softwares. So then from there, so store it in a simple leads table, name, phone, property, stores, agent notification when the lead comes in. Obviously, call the agent's phone number, text the agent, link to a lead page with details plus AI call script. That'd be great. Auto call lead. Once the agent answers, system calls the lead's number using Twilio, which is going to be Twilio is going to be the back end for the calling and phone numbers. Detect whether the lead answers or voicemail picks up. Fallback action is the lead doesn't answer, drops pre-recorded or AI voicemail, sends an AI personalized SMS, dynamic merge text. So minimal agent dashboard, see new leads, name, source, property status, mark lead as contacted, need follow up, booked, view leads of calls, and text. So basically, the number one success metric for this is going to be to convert the leads with convert 20 to 40% more leads in your database, because you're responding within the 60 seconds. So that's the main goal. And then eventually, I really want this app to really eventually do follow up with the AI, and eventually be able to book scheduled phone calls for the agent. Because um, going back to this, the number one reason really every agent, or the number one thing agent have problems with is basically time, right? We're doing marketing, we're doing all these other things, negotiating contracts, showings, basically everything. And what happens is we don't have enough time to uh, I guess stay in touch with these leads, right? We have these automated systems right now, which I use right now currently, but don't have anything that is AI, right? And it's going to be a little more of a personal touch, if you want to put it in that sense, personal touch in a sense, and which will convert at a more higher percentage. So if I could make this app into something where you could have booked appointments with people that are ready to go, or a phone call appointments, really, that with leads that are raising their hands, I think that would be the most ideal situation here, because that's going to take away a lot of time off your plate, and we'll just get to the leads that are actually ready to go. So that would be the main goal for this. But for now, this is the minimal viable product. Let me know what you guys think, guys. And this is the dashboard here so far. So this is what so far I built out with the dashboard. Obviously, still work in progress. Nothing really works here still. I mean, I think yeah, these are working so far, but still have to do a lot of adjustments here, or start coding in the back end. But let me show you guys the next steps here. So, and also these don't work yet. Oh yeah, these don't work yet. So I'll show you guys the next steps here. So far the concept and dashboard has been created. Also the sign in. So let me go back here, show you guys really quick here. Let me see if I could yeah, the sign in. Let me log out. I think, yeah, sign out. So here's the login so far has been created too, to sign in and also sign up. So that's been created. And then the next thing will be the lead triggers. So we're gonna go off this phase one here, webhook, API, catching lead from Zillow, Facebook. So we're gonna do that next. So that's what I'm gonna be coding next. But this is so far what I have, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if also any ideas that I probably missed here that you guys probably would think will make it a better app. Let me know. And I hope you guys subscribe and yeah, follow the journey, guys.